Hey everyone, I finally got the April Hip Kits Austrian post. Took their sweet time and between Easter weekend and I don't know. Yeah, it took a while, but it's here and I'm super excited. One thing I want to mention is after this video, I will immediately create my layout for National Scrapbooking Day or International Scrapbooking Day. We have a huge online crop at the Hip Kit Club member forum on Facebook. I will link you to it. There's tons of challenges and you can win you know, gift cards, and you can just spend the weekend scrapbooking with us. The whole design team will be on there, including myself, and make sure you join us. You don't have to be a subscriber. You can use whatever you have. So come and play and chat with us. That is this coming weekend. Okay, so the kits are gorgeous. From kind of what I've seen, taking them apart, there's a lot of the new Paige Evans Horizon collection, which is gorgeous, and some Dear Lizzy new stuff, everything new with some pretty exclusive from Hip Kits thrown into the mix. Let's get started. This is a main kit, and this is paper number 3. Pink Paisley always number their pages, which does kind of simplify life. And this is, you know, one of those showstopper kind of papers. This is very, very Paige Evans to me, and the design team has been doing really gorgeous stuff with this paper. So that's what I really love, that there's so much inspiration. You know, you get the kits and you don't have to wonder, okay, how am I going to use this? Because you can get tons of ideas. So this is one side, and then the other side is this cute floral, which is a really lovely print, but I mean, there's rainbow paper, right? From oh, there's also some Chimel stuff from her new collection, Sparkle City, which has purple in it. Purple is one of those colors, right? You either love it or hate it. I love certain purples, and this one is okay with me. I don't like those deep purples. Okay, I'm getting very chatty. So this floral, I really like it. It has that kind of whimsical feel to it. I love the colors. It's not too colorful. Yeah, it's kind of a unique print, and I think it will be fun to use. And then the other side is this light purple on dark blue pattern. From Horizon, we have this beautiful kind of painterly looking paper. I love the colors here. It's fantastic. And then the other side is this tone-on-tone kind of irregular polka dots. Very pretty. Okay, I'll try to put it in a way that we can later look at all the papers together and ooh and ah. We have from Horizon paper number 16. This side has this cute floral. Give you a little bit of a close-up. And then that other side is a dark tone-on-tone blue polka dot. From Crate Paper, this really nice stripe. It's kind of like a craft type of color, and light pink. And then this side, ooh, I love. This is from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. We got a bunch in the previous kit, so both kits will work together if you have leftovers. And I love this side. So it has these like watercolor type of circles. I love it. From Dear Lizzy, It's All Good. Wait, let's do it like this so you don't know what's coming. This beautiful floral, it's kind of a dark blue, I want to say, on white, and you can fussy cut it. Beautiful, beautiful. And then that other side is this cute polka dot, which I really like, even though it's dark. I really, really like it. And from Horizon, Paige Evans, we have this beautiful kind of tile looking design in monochrome blue. It's blue. And then that other side has this tiny, teeny, tiny pattern. Really beautiful. I love this color. Lovely. From Chimel Sparkle City, it's again has that floral, so I think those two papers will work really well together. And some buildings. And then this side I love. It's purple and it has little dots on it. Lovely. From Crate Paper, Lala Love. We have strawberries, super cute, and the colors work really well with the Paige Evans collection. Works really nicely. So we have strawberries on the side, and then I love this pattern, super cute with the little hearts, very, very cute. And last but not least, from Horizon, paper number 4, and it has this beautiful font in rainbow colors, and then this other side is kind of a tone-on-tone or monochromatic pink pattern. Very pretty. It's very kind of intricate and interesting, but it's still small enough that I think you can use it without it being too, you know, busy. So these are all the papers together. I love the colors this month. And then these are the B-sides. So there are some darks and lots of blues. You could find lots of different color scheme for this. Okay, let's stay with something that we can see the other stuff on top. Okay, what else do we have? For the alphas, we have these acetate acetate letters designed by Kimberly Hutchinson, and these are exclusive to the kit, and they're beautiful. You can see they're kind of decorated, and I just love the colors. That pink, yes. I love that pink. It's like this purpley fuchsia pink. Beautiful. We have from Horizon the ephemera pack. It has 40 pieces, and what I like already from first glance is that most of them are small. I really struggle using large ephemera, and smaller bits are so much easier to use. So really nice selection. And we have also from Horizon these tags. These are lovely because they're so detailed that you really don't have to add much. You could give these, you know, with a present, or add them, of course, on a layout or on a card. We have, I love this. This is the chipboard from Horizon, and chipboard accent and phrase stickers. So we have here some words and just lots of embellishments, which are really, really pretty. Very excited about that. And last but not least, in the main kit are these enamel stickers from Chamel Sparkle City, and they are sparkly and pretty, and I love the colors. Gorgeous. So you have all these colors, and then the sparkle is kind of a bluish sparkle. Beautiful. That's the main kit. If you want more papers, you can go with the cardstock kit, and I'll show you what we have. So I think this is Marshmallow from Basil. This is the really thick cardstock. Oh, I love this color. So this is called Serenity. Serenity Now. Give it a thumbs up if you're a Seinfeld fan. From Basil. I love it. It's this beautiful, beautiful shade of blue. Tutu Pink, always a favorite of mine. This very, very light pink. We have purple. This is called Wisteria, and it's a beautiful Wisteria shade. And then we have more white. I think I have some extra sheets because Kimberly spoils me sometimes with some extra sheets. So probably the kit has 2 of them. And then we have also this beautiful color. This is called Jet Stream, and it's more of a like a lighter muted blue. I love the colors of cardstock. And then there's also the textured white. This is called Basil White, and it has that texture to it. You're probably familiar with textured cardstock. There we go. So that's the cardstock kit. And if you want pattern paper, you know, you don't want to have to choose which side to use. So there's the pattern paper kit, which I think this month has yeah, all the papers in the main kit, including this gorgeous pattern. Moving on to the embellishment kit. We have these beautiful florals from Horizon. I can do florals on every single layout, so I'm super happy to have this. They're also relatively small, which I also like, makes it easier to use. From Sunny Days crate paper, we have these cute charms. Beautiful. Again from Sunny Days, these are embossed die cut sheet. I don't remember seeing something like this from crate paper, and you can cut these. So I think they're kind of like attached, but you can just like cut the separate images, and it's beautiful. It's like this foiled embossed gold. Pretty. And we have from Dear Lizzie accent and phrase stickers. Super cute. I really like the color palette of this collection. It's kind of lighter and happy and has all these beautiful, it reminds me of, what do you call it? Like ice cream sherbet colors. And you know, they're not super bright, but they're still bright. So they're not they're not pastel, but yeah, just love these colors. And we also have, I love these. These are the, you know, layered, what are they called? Can't see. There. Layered stickers. And I just love the detail that these add to your layouts. I can already tell I will be hoarding this balloon thing. It's so pretty, and the camera, and these, I love using these. Sometimes I will remove the ribbon part and just use the circle part because I love using circular elements. And then there are also hearts, and everything has a foam adhesive, which I love because I tend to add that anyway. So here they did it for me. So that's the embellishment kit. And the color kit has these are from Lindy's Stamp Gang, and these are called Magicals, and they come in these 3 beautiful colors. So Fuzzy Navel Peach, Pink Ladies Pink, and Tilt a Wheel Teal. And you can add these, so these are just like powder, and the powder doesn't look like the color does when you have to add this to something. And you can add this, that's the nice thing about these types of products, is that they're very versatile. So you can add this to water and just get like a watercolor type of medium. You can add these to paint, like white paint, modeling paste, gesso, matte medium, or any other medium. So you can basically tint everything with this. And I'll probably add it to water, or maybe gesso. And yeah, that's really fun to play with. Last but not least, the Project Life kit. So we have these puffy stickers. These are from This Beautiful Life, designed by Kim Watson and Kimberly. And this is a Hip Kit Club exclusive, and these are super cute little puffy navy letter stickers. Very cute. From Horizon, we have the swatch book. And again, if you want ideas on how to use these, you know, go to the Hip Kit Club Instagram, blog, Facebook page, in the forum. There's tons and tons of inspiration. This I'm really happy to get. I always love photo corners. They're super cute. These are by Heidi Swap, and they come in a few colors. So I haven't seen this product, and comes in this cute box. Let's see. I love the packaging, right? It has like the Heidi Swap black and white signature touch. How do you open? Open. I thought it was like a matchbox. Yeah, it is. Ooh, I love it. Love it. This makes me very happy. And we have gold, hot pink, light pink, aqua, and kind of almost a neon yellow. Very pretty. Love the packaging on this. Lovely. A+. And we have, what else do we have? Ooh, okay. This is for, this I should keep for last. We have the Horizon stickers. There are 76 pieces. They're beautiful in all the rainbow colors. This collection is very, very colorful, and I'm happy about that. The cards, I will show you I will show them last, so stick around if you want to see that. And these, I love these. These are exclusive again to Hip Kit Club, and there are of course puffy stickers, and we have like the rainbow words, which I adore. How gorgeous is that? And yeah, lots of these like little phrases, which are so easy to use. You can use them on everything, and a few, like most of them are colored, but then there are a few black and white ones with some typewriter font, which is my favorite, and so gorgeous. The exclusive are always some of the best things in the kits, in my opinion. And I'll zoom you in now for the cards. So let's start with the 4x6 cards. These are one-sided. Colors always coordinate the kits. I love this. These types of pinks maybe make me happy, but then again, all pinks make me happy. Gorgeous, love this. And you can use these in pocket pages in your planner. You know, if you watch Missy, she always uses the cards on her layouts, and I like to use them too, especially the smaller ones. These are great for journaling spots on layouts, so you really don't have to be a project lifer to enjoy these, in my opinion. I love the colors. Again, these like ice cream sherbet colors, absolutely love it. And yeah, you see, again, like this would be so great just to add your journaling on a layout. Don't have to figure out where to put it, just grab a card. And some green. There's so many beautiful reasons to smile. Note to self. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you join us for National or International Scrapbooking Day. Thanks for watching. Bye.